Welcome to downtown Miami. Let's see what photos we can get today. I have the A7 today. My A7S was shipped off for repairs. The SD card slot is defective. I have the Sony 16 to 35 millimeter f4 on it currently, but of course that might change. Oh, look at that tree. This scene would be more interesting if there were no cars. I declare this should be a no-car street. The street should be cobblestone. That'd be fun. This might give us some elevation. Floating tiki bars. They're in South Florida unless there's a floating tiki bar nearby. Oh, we got a plane coming over the carousel. Fun. I wonder if we drop this down to F22. $7,200 F4. Wow, I'd love to take photos on this boat. Looks like a hot spot for photographers and nice cars. Whoa, cool. Oh, look at all these birds. Bird photography in downtown Miami. My newborn kept me up last night, so I am extremely tired today. So if I collapse, that's why. Maybe I shouldn't be standing next to these rocks. So earlier, the planes were flying through this gap in these two buildings. I think they may have changed their flight path, unfortunately. Apparently someone is stuck in an elevator 2 miles away. There's this app called Citizen, and it will tell you, only cities big enough to support it at this point, it will tell you if there's any emergencies happening, any crime happening. It's very effective in a place like New York City. This boat is ridiculous. Back to the 16 to 35. I love this spot. This is so beautiful. A little bit of elevation. Blue. Why are you guys blocking the bridge? Why are you guys blocking the bridge? You don't know? All right.
Plan on it, but we're waiting for the officer to get to the other side. There's traffic.
Oh, okay. What's the reason? Do you know the reason? Is it stuck? Oh, wow. All right. All right, well, I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. So, for context, there's a semi truck that's stretched all the way across the street. So I don't have to worry about crossing this street. And apparently that truck is stuck there. And so the, the police are having to block off very busy roads, I guess, while they move it. 70 to 200. All right, I've moved out of the city and I came to a really aesthetically pleasing location. There's a bike track that comes right through here. Very open and quiet. Lots of buildings around in the distance, boats and such. A gas station in the middle of the avenue here, which is kind of hilarious. Never seen that before. All right, nice. Nice. This is great. 100. Cool. Another one. Love the shutter drag there. Very happy with that. Very happy. This is so nice. Very buttery lighting conditions. Lots of interesting things happening. Let's head over to this bridge. Drawbridge going up. The hasty drawbridge. This is a very thin sidewalk for such a busy roadway. I don't think I want to stay up here too long. Wow, this is the Florida I love. You got your this, you got your that, got your those over there. Clouds, beautiful clouds. Oh my gosh, loud noises. I don't like this. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. All right, guys. This is James checking out from the Mid Avenue Chevron. Thank you so much for watching. Be well. I want to talk about something that is now supporting the channel and something that is soon to be supporting the channel. First, Musicbed. You may have heard of them. They are a robust resource for people like me who need a Musicbed for their videos. If you are someone that makes videos and you want to find some amazing music that is by creators for creators, Musicbed is a great place for that. Also, if you merely want to listen to some slapping tunes while you work or study with no ads in between, you can do that with a free account. That blew my mind. But if you want to purchase an annual account, if you use my coupon code JamesRed, you will get the first month free. So, thank you so much for Musicbed for supporting this channel. Now something that will soon be supporting the channel. I have a Lightroom preset collection that is in its final stages. It is almost ready for you. These are presets that I use every day, and these are the presets that I use for the photos in these videos. And you will be able to use them too, if you wish. That's on the way, keep your eyes open. Okay, goodbye, love you. Goodbye.